everyone. Let us talk about Power BI and understand how do we use it for data visualization. Power BI is a business intelligence tool provided by Microsoft. It is feature-rich and agile, making it one of the best BI tools on the market. So the fact that 97% of the Fortune 500 companies use it and a total of 250,000 organizations using it tells us how powerful a tool it is. Power BI enables users to create interactive data visualizations and dashboards. In this process, it also enables certain transformations and report generations, which helps businesses make informed decisions. So by transforming raw data into meaningful insights, Power BI is an essential tool that helps businesses grow or prosper. Basically, Power BI comes like a suite that consists of Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service that is cloud-based, and Power BI Mobile. It supports a wide range of data sources like Excel, your databases, cloud-based services like Azure and Google Analytics. And you can import data from any of these sources. So all compatibility is provided by Power BI internally. Now you can just import data from the source and establish relationship between datasets, thus enabling us to draw insights, which will help take us strategic decisions going forward. It is extremely powerful and its UI is very interactive. User interface is very interactive, which will make our job very easy, make our job as report generation very easy. Now let us look at important features of Power BI and how it helps data visualization. So it offers direct connectivity to Excel and other Microsoft products. This remains one of the Power BI's strengths as it integrates seamlessly with Microsoft products like Excel, Azure, and Teams. So the ability of handling large data sets is another unmatchable feature of Power BI. It can handle, up to 100 million rows or even more. With the use of one lake, its capacity is even enhanced. It also uses extensively R and Python. It also allows custom visuals. So map visualizations and geographical data insights, it's very easy to generate using Power BI. So additional AI capabilities have been incorporated into Power BI with the use of Microsoft Copilot. This is an AI assistant. And you also have this AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning integration. So the data sets can be used in a way that we wanted. Now, and the aspect of visualization, let us learn about what features it offers a little more in detail. As you see on the screen, you have this pane wherein on the right side of the dashboard, wherein you can create any graph just by dragging the fields onto the report canvas and create any kind of visuals, the layout, all of that without having to hard code the lines. So it will let you load the data, clean the data, and just drag fields onto the report canvas to create visuals the way we want. We can create a chart or change the chart, type of chart, or see the same data in a different form. All of this from the visualization pane. With all such individual charts put together, we can also create a report. So as you see, this is how Power BI desktop looks like. So on the right side, we have visualizations, and extreme right, you have the fields, available in your data. So it's very interactive. You can drag and drop whatever fields you want and apply whatever chart you want on that, right? So a summary of results, a summary of visuals that summarize the various aspects of data is called a report. Power BI Desktop lets you create complex and visually rich reports in a very easy and simple way. And these reports are shareable across the organization usually. A report can have one or more pages, just like an Excel file can have one or more worksheets. So more often, we will want to create a collection of visuals that show various aspects of data rather than, seeing one chart or one graph. And this is made very easy with Power BI. And this ends our introduction to Power BI in data visualization. Let us learn more about it in our next video. Thank you.